Hello everyone. Today I share how we can cook Nigerian beans using the fry method. As you can see, I've washed the beans, transferred into the pot and added some water to it and allow it to cook for some minutes or hours depending on how your beans is. So as you can see, my beans has been cooking for some time now. I've come to check it and I saw that it's fully cooked. It's now very soft. So the next thing I want to do is give it a quick stir and added some salt to it. As you can see, yeah, I added the salt and I added two Maggi cubes. You can use one depending on the quantity of your beans. For me, I cooked 3 cups of beans and these cubes gave it the right taste. So I go in squeezing the cubes into the beans and gave it a very good stir. This will help to incorporate the ingredients into the beans, as you can see. So thereafter I went on to prepare my ingredients. I put in rodo, fresh pepper and onions with some crayfish into small mortar which I pounded. Then I went on to season my fish with some fish seasoning, salt and pepper. As you can see, I'm adding in the salt now. So after which the next step is to add in the pepper. You can use whatever seasoning you want. It's completely up to you. So after seasoning the fish, I mixed everything together. Then I heated up some palm oil. As you can see, the palm oil is hot now. I added a sprinkle of salt to it and a dash of onions. The reason why I added this onion is for aroma, to give the oil aroma. So when I add the fish, it will smell good. As you can see. So I go in to add the fish one by one gently. Be careful not to burn your hand. So guys, I gave the fish a few minutes to fry. It's been frying for some time now, so I go back to check and give it its stir so that the other side of the fish can fry as well. The fish has been frying for some time now and obviously it's ready, like ready. So what I did is give it another stir for the other side to fry properly and then just remove this from the palm oil.